In today's video, I will teach you how to fix colors fast using the white balance in HSL in Lightroom. Let's get started. Getting perfect colors in Lightroom is easy once you master white balance in the HSL panel. Whether your photos look too yellow, too blue, or the colors just don't pop, these tools will help you fix color issues fast. The first step is adjusting white balance for natural tones. White balance controls the overall warmth or coolness of your photo. To adjust this, go to the basic panel in the Develop module, then adjust the temperature. You can move toward blue to cool down overly warm photos, or toward yellow to warm up a cool photo. And for tint, you can adjust it towards green or magenta to fix color contrast. And you can use the eyedropper tool or simply press W on your keyboard and click on a neutral gray or white area for autocorrection. If you're editing a batch of photos, you can sync white balance across all images for consistency. The second step is fine-tuning colors with HSL panel. HSL stands for Hue, Saturation, and Luminance, allowing you to control specific colors without affecting the whole image. To do this, go to the HSL or color panel, then adjust the following. You can adjust the hue to shift the tones of a specific color, for example, making greens more yellow or blue more teal. And for saturation, it increases or decreases the intensity of a color, for example, it removes reds from skin tones. And luminance controls the brightness of a color, for example, you can make the sky a deeper blue. You can also use the targeted adjustment tool, which is the circle icon in the HSL panel, to click and drag on colors that you want to adjust. And to fix common color issues fast, you can follow the following steps. If your image is too yellow or too orange, you can lower the yellow and orange saturation and shift the white balance towards blue. And if it's too blue or cool toned, you can increase the exposure and adjust the blue luminance for natural colors. And for dull colors, you can boost the vibrance instead of saturation for a balanced pop. And for harsh skin tones, you can lower the orange saturation and increase the orange luminance for softer skin. But make sure to adjust the color subtly to keep a natural look. And for finishing touches, you can check the before and after to compare changes. Then adjust the contrast and clarity for a more polished look. Then export an sRGB for online use with accurate colors. And you can also save your adjustments as a preset to quickly fix colors in future edits. By mastering the white balance in HSL, you'll fix colors fast and get vibrant, professional-looking photos in minutes. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.